Hi, morning. It's Siobhan from Flowers by Siobhan.
Morning, everyone.
We're on our way to work this morning.
Just doing the school run.
Slept in a little bit. Ashley was going to do a video to the wholesalers, but yeah, we got a phone call off.
Yeah, it's not quite true that I just slept in this morning. We got a phone call last night at 12:30 from Sydney, Australia, of Siobhan's younger sister, who works for British Airways, to show us some koalas in the zoo. Thanks a lot, dudes.
So on our way to work, a little bit late. Ashley will do a video at some point of our wholesalers and our buying. Okay,
see you later.
So Ashley's just arrived with our delivery. As I said before, we're running a little bit late today. This is usually done at 5, 6 in the morning.
Show everyone what's in the goodie box.
And now it's been done at 11 o'clock. So let me just turn the camera around so you can see. Oh, I can't do that.
I'll hold that.
So we've got gerbils.
Hi, Cora. Say hi.
Hi, Cora.
What are you watching, sweetie?
We've got some gorgeous Hypericum carnations.
Wow, they're lovely, then. Beautiful.
They're lovely. Tropical bunches. A little bit of everything.
Yeah, I think there's a couple of things missing on the delivery today, but not to worry, these things happen. They're not important things, they were just extra things for the shop. I can always get them the next day. What else is in there, Siobhan?
Some gorgeous pink roses.
Beautiful,
lilies.
let's have a look at them. Beautiful. Sunflowers, one of my favourites, I love them.
Yeah, they look really nice in hand-tied.
So guys, as Siobhan said, this normally gets done at 5 o'clock in the morning, but because of our midnight call from Sydney, we are doing it late. So say hi, Cora.
Hi. Say hi, you helping mummy?
So I wonder what Siobhan's going to turn these flowers into, something beautiful, I guess. Yes, sweetie. Are you helping us out? What have you got there, Cora?
Thank you.
This is...
It's brassica.
So this is the fun of having your children in the shop with you.
No, let's not do that stuff, flowers.
We're just hoping that it doesn't break all of them.
Last little bits of greenery.
Can you show us a close-up of the hand-tied, please?
Yeah, 1 second. So that's the last.
So if you could just have a close-up of the flowers, Siobhan, please, that'd be great.
So I've added the rest of them. As you can see, they're all spiralling, all in the same direction. So when you put them in a vase, they will sit perfectly as long as it's tied at the right point there. So I've tied them together and everything's now placed evenly in the bouquet. So the next thing we need to do is to wrap the bouquet. To do this, we take a piece of cellophane, usually 2 different colours. So I've got a pink one and a purple one.
Beautiful.
Take a piece about this size. We'll bring our bottom corner up to our top corner. Can you see that?
Yeah, so explain that again, please, Siobhan.
So we get our oblong piece of cellophane. We take our
Or rectangle.
take our bottom right hand corner, bring it up to our top left hand corner, and leave a little gap between.
So what's next then?
Go across the bottom so you've got a nice straight line.
Yep.
And do that with both sheets. So you do that with 2 purple and 2 pink.
Lovely.
So next, I'll place the hand tie. So the binding point is at just above the bottom of our piece of cellophane, and I'll bring each corner round and gather it at the binding point.
So it's not like wrapping a bag of chips then?
Not at all. So then I would turn it slightly on its side, wrap the next one, and then keep turning until all 4 pieces have been wrapped.
What was that? Beautiful. You make it look so easy, Siobhan.
Like that.
Great. So
we've I've put the bottom, I've tied it off with some sellotape. So we've got the bit round the top, now we're going to put the bit round the bottom. So we need a square piece of cellophane. So I've got a square piece of cellophane, and what we need to do is cut our stems. So this bouquet is going to sit in a box, in an aqua box, which is like this. So we need to make sure our stems will be able to fit in there perfectly. So
Did the aqua boxes come made up, or do you have to make them up yourself?
So we make them up ourselves. They're in like a flat pack, and we have to make them up. And we're just going to chop our stems.
Is there a specific length the stems have to be?
No, but what you do need to think about is trying to cut them on an angle so they take as much water as they can.
And why do you cut them on the angle?
It gives them more surface area. So once we've got our bouquet, stems are cut, we need to pop it on our square piece of cellophane. We pop our hand tied on the square piece of cellophane. We're going to bring our bottom right hand corner up to our top left hand corner, and then fold the cellophane in. Again, always at the binding point, because if not, it will slip off, and then you'll get water everywhere. So now it's all gathered in together. I'm going to just secure that with some sellotape. You have to make sure it's really tight so that when you do put the water in, it doesn't come undone.
So how many times today have you done this, Siobhan? A lot.
A lot. I could do this in sleep. So now we're going to pop it in the box, and it should stand up, which it does.
And that's it, the finished article, the bow's on. So that's basically, that's how to make a hand-tied bouquet. So I mentioned on our previous video, welcome to my channel, that we're going to be doing a wedding flower giveaway. What I'm going to try and do to make this a bigger, more exciting giveaway is approach some of the other wedding suppliers that we know and try and get them involved. I'm going to try hardest to get a cake maker, and I'm going to try my hardest to get a photographer. So keep watching the channel and I will keep you up to date on my progress. Oh my god, what is it?
It's a massive spider.
What is it, like the biggest spider in the world? Get it, Siobhan. Get it.
Biggest spider. If it comes out, I don't know.
Get it. Get it, Siobhan. Are you okay, Pierce? Mummy's got it under control. Don't let it go. Don't let it go.
I'm really scared.
Don't let it go. No!
Oh,
No!
No, don't.
Don't.
Alright, come on, open the front door.
No.
Go on,
Wait,
please.
don't let it go. You're doing great. Super brave.
Come on, open.
Super brave. Get it.
It was huge. It was the biggest spider I've ever seen. Oh, is it? Oh, right.
Is the spider gone?
I think it's gone.
Good. It's been another long day at Flowers by Siobhan. We've been swimming today. Pierce did great. He swam without his armbands. He did fantastic.
I like jumped in.
You did.
Jumped in, bombed in, one too many times.
This time we always got some bag goggles, but this time I brought them.
You got your swimming goggles this time?
Yeah.
Right, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Have a nice evening.
Night-night.
Night-night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
Hit the like button.
Give us 200 subscribers.
Yeah.
Night. Bye.
Bye.